Hello, guys. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered how you can turn your passion for artificial intelligence into a thriving career? In 2025, generative AI is not just a buzzword, it's transforming industries and shaping the future. The amazing part is that you don't need to be a computer genius to dive into this field. In this video, we'll break down a clear roadmap for learning generative AI. It is accessible for everyone, from beginners to those wanting to deepen their understanding. With the rapid advancements in technology, understanding generative AI is crucial. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to upskill, or simply curious about the topic, this roadmap will help you to navigate the complexities of generative AI. Let's get into the steps you need to take to become proficient in this area. First, it's important to start with the basics. Before jumping into advanced concepts, solidify your foundation in artificial intelligence. Look for online courses focused on the fundamentals of AI. Websites like Coursera, Udacity, and edX have great introductory programs. Make sure you understand what AI is, its history, and its various branches, including machine learning and natural language processing. Once you feel confident with the basics, it's time to dive deeper. The next step is to learn about machine learning specifically. This is where you'll encounter the algorithms that form the backbone of generative AI. Familiarize yourself with the concepts like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Kaggle, a platform for data science competitions, provides hands-on experience and numerous datasets to play with. Try working on small projects to solidify your understanding. If you haven't already, you should also get comfortable with programming. Python is the most widely used language in AI, so focus on mastering it. Websites like Codecademy and FreeCodeCamp offer excellent resources for beginners. Next, after you have a strong grasp of machine learning, let's look at deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and is crucial for working with generative AI. Start with understanding neural networks and their architectures. Books like Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow can provide valuable insight. Online platforms like Fast.ai offer practical deep learning courses that can help you build your skills quickly. Once you have a grip on deep learning, it's time to explore generative models. These are the models that create data like images, text, or music. Learn about popular models such as generative adversarial networks and variational autoencoders. Follow online tutorials and documentations to build your own models from scratch. Join communities like GitHub or Reddit to share your projects and gain feedback from others. Next, let's focus on TI. Familiarize yourself with TensorFlow and PyTorch, two popular frameworks for building AI models. Experiment with them by working on real-world projects. Utilize platforms like Google Colab, which provides free GPUs for speeding up your development process. Now that you have theoretical knowledge and some hands-on practice, consider contributing to open source projects. This will enhance your learning and expand your network. You can find projects that interest you. Networking is key in this field. Attend workshops, webinars, and local meetups. After building your technical skills, it's important to focus on the ethical implications of generative AI. Understanding the social impact of AI technologies is becoming increasingly important. Read up on case studies and research that discuss the ethical responsibilities of AI practitioners. As you continue your journey, never shy away from experimenting. Take on personal projects that interest you, whether that's creating art using generative AI or developing a chatbot. These projects will help you apply your knowledge creatively. Keep learning. The field of AI is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest research and trends by following prominent researchers and organizations on social media. As you progress in your learning journey, remember that practice is crucial. Work on a portfolio that showcases your skills. Share your projects on LinkedIn or a personal website to attract attention from potential employers. You can also contribute to community-driven projects on platforms like Kaggle. By sharing your knowledge and learning from peer feedback, you not only improve but also help others on their journeys. Now, it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below what area of generative AI excites you or the most, or what step you are currently on in your learning journey. Remember, the journey into generative AI is filled with possibilities. Embrace the adventure and take the next step today. If you found this roadmap helpful, please hit that like button and share it with anyone you think would benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like